Hello ladies! We all love to smell good, don't we? But it often happens that when you step out of the house wearing your favorite perfume, within 2 to 3 hours the perfume starts fading away or is completely gone. Well, learn these perfume hacks and smell like heaven all day long. A lot of perfume brands come out with their own body lotions. Try using the same body lotion before you try on the perfume. Apply perfume on the pulse points, which are behind your ear, the base of your throat, the inside of your wrist, and the inside of your elbow. Before you spray your perfume, apply some Vaseline or Petroleum Jelly on your pulse points. Spray some perfume on your hairbrush and brush through your hair. Do check out my earlier video on how to avoid stinky underarms before you try these hacks. Thanks for watching.